Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to sell Notion templates on Etsy? This tutorial will guide you throughout the process of creating, listing, and marketing your Notion templates on Etsy. Follow along to reach a broad audience of buyers. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we are going to actually create a Notion template and sell it on Etsy. But first, let's check the marketplace of Etsy. So now I have just logged in very quickly to my Notion account, and now let's swap to Etsy. As you can see here, I am on Etsy, and as you can see right here, these are all Notion templates. Now you might tell me that Notion templates are something stupid to sell, but guys, trust me, because I'm going to prove it to you using numbers. So what do you think, guys? How many sales are gonna be for these people are in here for this page? Only this page has at least 10,000 sales, so that's even like so little for this page. I think 20,000, something like that. Let's start by checking the sales. As you can see here, there is the rating. This template, only this guy here with this template, it has 11,000 sales. This is not only sales, but these are ratings, which means that might be even more people who bought from him but didn't rate his service, which is an option, so you can ignore the rating process. You can do that, but there is already 11,000 people who already got into that. Let's check what he's selling exactly. So here it is. This is how he's basically putting it, so you can find everything in here in pictures, very clean, very organized with details and text, so it can explain to you exactly how it works. The ultimate Notion planner, Notion template, Notion planner, etc. This is like a long title. Changed most of it to meet my personal needs, but also starter templates. I love it. Made starting up my Notion a lot more time effective. Your files will be available to download once payment is confirmed. This is very interesting, guys, and already there is 8 people bought this in the last 24 hours, and it is on demand. Let's check something else here. Let's see if there is 4 people, 2 people. There is a lot of people buying here, and trust me, guys, this is a business that you can do. And just by looking at these numbers, this guy is selling this for what? This is amazing, guys. Look, just by the numbers here, let me just open my calculator, because this is amazing. Look, let's ignore the fact that I have 50% off because this is a discount for the new accounts. So let's ignore it and go for the main money. Here they are selling it for 19.98, so let's go with it, 19.98. let's go with 11.2 okay, so let's do this, and this is the amount of money that this guy made just by selling Notion templates. $200,000. Like, how easy is it to make money? This easy. Yes, very easy. Look how much money they have made. And are you telling me that this person made the same effort of someone who's working a full-time job, who's, I mean, I don't think he's done even like 30% of his work, but this guy has creativity, he has potential, and he saw a chance and took it. The same thing has to be done for you guys. So let's start by creating our template. Sorry, the first thing is that I want to do is to go ahead and create a new space. Let's name it, for example, here happy family, or let's name it, for example, templates, and let's create it. This one has to be private, and let's create team space. Now, as you can see, to actually have a team space, and so you can have multiple team spaces, then you have to upgrade to the business one. So put that in mind in case you would like to have it. So there we go, I have team space home, and now I can readjust everything in this page so it can fit my needs. I can as you can see here, add a lot of stuff, and even if I don't really find what I want in this area, I can click and do whatever I want. And if I didn't know what to do, I can simply click right here and make the AI do it for me. Now the creation process, I'm not going to explain it since it is not a part of this video. This video is all about selling it on Etsy. So let's go back on Etsy. Click here on your account and then make sure to log in. Go to Shop Manager and then you have to go through a quick process. Let's go through it. There we go, I logged into my account, click on continue, and now I'm just gonna keep going through the steps. Let's go back to the first step, which is the shop preferences. Make sure that you are on the shop preferences and choose the correct answers. Normally, shop language would be English, shop country, United States, and shop currency must be whatever you want. The thing is, I don't think you can select word wild, so I think you can only go for like a specific one. So you would usually go for the United States. After that, click save and continue and give your shop a name. Once you're done, go ahead and add like a design, so add more listings, and let me just delete this one, add a listing, and there we go. Now for this item, it is a digital file, so click right here and then go to category and add here Notion template. You can just go ahead and write templates. Who made it? I did it. And what is it? A finished product or apply to make tool. When did you make it? Made to order or 2020 2024. Then save and continue. Here all I have to do is to give it a title, which you could copy a title from here and change it so it can fit your template exactly, or you can just write a title from your own things. Then you have to go ahead and take screenshots of your templates. I would usually use this tool, which is this feather tool, to take screenshots of specific places of my templates, and then you can do designs of them in Photoshop or in Canva. You can find multiple templates on Canva that can fit and basically help you do that. So like we can have like PC frame, and we can find here like multiple things that have. You can like edit this one and add a picture inside of it, or you can like have a frame right here. There's a lot of designs that you can use, to be honest, so go for whatever fits you. Add it right here. This is the files. You have to upload the file, and once you're done, add the description and add the price. The price has to be pretty much low. Don't go further like 20. Make it like $6, $7, and then all you have to do next is go to the bottom, give it the category. If you didn't do it at the beginning, shop section, you can add it in a section if you want, and then click on save and continue. Once you've done that, you are listing now your Notion template on Etsy, and now you just have to wait for your clients. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.